Let's start with a hard truth that most people would rather ignore. If you were hit with an unexpected $1,000 bill today, could you pay it without panicking or reaching for a credit card? For a shocking number of people, the answer is a firm no. This isn't a theoretical problem. It's a real-life scenario that plays out every single day. 1 minute, everything is fine, and the next, your car's transmission fails. A sudden toothache requires an emergency root canal. Your company announces a surprise round of layoffs. These aren't dramatic, once-in-a-lifetime events. They are the inconvenient and often costly bumps in the road of life. Without a financial cushion to absorb these shocks, a minor inconvenience can quickly spiral into a full-blown crisis. The most effective strategy for building your emergency fund is also the easiest: automation. This is the secret weapon of people who save consistently without feeling like they are constantly fighting their own willpower. If you wait until the end of the month to see what's left over to save, the answer will almost always be nothing. Life has a funny way of expanding to consume all available income. Automation flips the script entirely. Instead of paying everyone else first, your landlord, the credit card company, the grocery store, you finally start paying yourself first. Here is the exact system to implement today. Log into your payroll provider. Log into your primary checking account. Set up a recurring automatic transfer to a separate, high-yield savings account. Schedule this transfer to occur on the exact day you receive your paycheck. This is non-negotiable. Move the money before you even have a chance to see it or think about spending it. You remove the biggest obstacle to saving: yourself. Once your automation is in place, the next step is to find extra cash to accelerate your progress. This isn't about adopting a scarcity mindset. That approach is unsustainable. We're going to be surgical. Focus on a few big wins, high-impact cuts that free up real cash with minimal hit to your happiness. Cut the things you don't. Pull up your last 2 months of bank and credit card statements. Go through them line by line. Look for easy targets, subscriptions you forgot you had, services you no longer use, streaming services you signed up for to watch one show. Cancel them. These small recurring charges are silent killers of cash flow. Redirect that straight to your emergency fund. Now negotiate your monthly bills. Turbocharge your savings with extra income. Cutting expenses is powerful, but it has a mathematical limit. You can only cut so much. Earning more, on the other hand, is limitless. If you want to build your emergency fund at lightning speed, actively increasing your income is the ultimate accelerator. This doesn't mean you need to go out and get a second full-time job. There are more opportunities than ever to earn extra money on your own terms. Are you a good writer, a graphic designer, or organized? Find freelance gigs on platforms or marketplaces. Have a car? Drive for rideshare or delivery on weekends. Work hourly. Ask about overtime. A few extra shifts can add hundreds to your savings. The final push. Throughout the year, you will likely encounter financial windfalls, lump sums outside your regular income, annual tax refund, performance bonus from work, a cash gift for a birthday or holiday, a small inheritance. For many people, found money triggers an immediate desire to spend. That's a critical mistake and a missed opportunity. Windfalls are the best fuel for rapidly completing your emergency fund. The rule is simple. 100% of every windfall goes into savings, no exceptions. The moment a bonus or refund hits checking, transfer the entire amount to your high-yield savings. Keeping it separate from checking creates a psychological barrier. Label the account emergency fund. A high-yield account also earns competitive interest while remaining safe and accessible. Building an emergency fund isn't about fear, it's about freedom. Freedom to handle curveballs without debt or panic. If this guide helped, hit like and subscribe for more no-nonsense finance. Also, if you're wondering exactly how much you should save for your emergency fund, check out my video on calculating the right emergency fund amount. It'll give you clear guidance for your situation. Thanks for watching. Start small, win big.